नमस्ते, मेरा नाम शर्मिन है और मैं दुबई से आई हूँ अदिति योगा स्कूल में एरियल ट्रेनिंग सीखने के लिए। मेरा बेस कभी योगा नहीं रहा है। आई वॉज वेरी कन्फ्यूज व्हेन आई केम हियर टू लर्न योगा, but the teachers are so amazing. They teach you from the basic. Even if you are coming for aerial yoga and you don't have a yoga experience before, don't get scared, don't worry, because everything will be taught to you from the basic. All the teachers are very nice, very helpful, and they teach you everything in very easy way. Regarding the food and accommodation, I think this was the best ever accommodation in the yoga training I have heard about, and my experience was also very good. The surrounding is very clean, hygienic, and everything from the base to the end. Today is our last day. Everything was excellent. I'm very happy with this 1 week of training, and I will surely come here to learn more yoga because the accommodation, the stay, the teachers were so helpful that going back is a little sad. So I recommend you to come here with free mind and openness. You will take a lot of things from here. Thank you.